What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to find friends on Tumblr application. Firstly, you need to get up into the application, and what you need to do to get up and try to find out your friends and interact with them, simply you need to get up right on your downstairs side, right here on the second selection, which is here on the search box. Here guys, you can tap the username of your friend, for example, I don't know, Alex, and then simply go for it. Then go for follow section on your right upper side, go again on that send line option. Here you can get and share it to another friend if you want. Also, you can ask everything what you want on that section. You can ask whatever you want. Can you then just go ask, and you'll need to wait to get a response from him. And also, as I said before, here you need to know his or her username to get up to your friends, and then simply you go and just follow them and they will follow you. Then you can, if you get up into these sections, you're gonna be able, by typing on your third side on the message bar here, you can just chat with them. As you can see here, here it is Alex. Yes, you can talk to him right now, but maybe he has these restrictions in which you're not gonna be getting up into his minds, because he has the restrictions on which you cannot send friends without getting them accepting the site. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.